Morning routine.
Arav, hurry up, or you'll miss the bus.
I'm almost ready, Papa. Did you pack your toolkit?
Already done, champ.
Here's your lunchbox, Rajesh. Your favorite, curd rice.
Thanks, Meera. Don't you worry, I might come home late. There's a lot of work today.
Rajesh, it's been raining since last night. Are you sure it's safe to go out?
I can't skip work, Meera. People depend on me for fixing their issues, especially during storms.
Just be careful, please.
Papa, can we go for ice cream this weekend?
Only if you get an A on your math test.
Family emergency.
Hey, Raju, could you pass me that tester?
Sure, here you go.
Looks like this line is still acting up after the storm. The damage seems worse than we thought. It's going to take some time to get everything back up.
1 second, Rajesh. Let me take this call. Hello. What? Oh no. Okay, I'll come soon.
Everything okay, Raju? You look worried.
It's my wife. She said our daughter isn't feeling well. Running a fever and complaining of a headache.
Oh no, that sounds serious. Don't worry about this. You go home and take care of your daughter. I'll handle the rest here.
Are you sure? This is a big job.
Of course, I'm sure. Family comes first. Just give me a quick rundown of what's left, and I'll manage. Thank you so much, Rajesh. Now go, and don't stress. Keep me updated about your daughter, okay?
I will. Thanks again, Rajesh.
Don't mention it. Go, and I hope she feels better soon.
Flood warning.
Rajesh, the news says there's a flood warning in the area. You should stay home.
Meera, I can't. People are calling for help.
You never listen my words. Your safety is more important than work. Don't go, honey.
Papa, listen to Mom. The rain is too heavy.
I know what I'm doing. I'll be fine. Meera, please pack my lunch.
Injury. Rajesh is working on a damaged electric pole. It's windy, and the pole is shaky. Rajesh, are you okay?
Your hand looks bad.
My hand. I think it's broken. Don't move too much. His hand seems seriously injured. We need to get him to the hospital right away. Lisa, help me to lift him.
Rajesh, don't worry. Stay awake, okay?
We'll call your family once we get you checked out.
At the hospital.
Hello, Meera. This is Raju here.
Yes, Raju. What's wrong?
Rajesh had an accident. He slipped while working on an electric pole and injured his hand.
Oh no. How bad is it? Is he okay?
He's conscious, but his hand seems seriously hurt.
I'll be there right away. Which hospital?
City General Hospital.
Thank you for letting me know, Raju. I'm leaving now.
Drive safely, Meera.
I'll be there soon. Please stay with him until I get there.
Of course, Meera. We are here with him.
Rent increases.
Mommy, I just met Mr. Sharma, our landlord, at the general store.
What? Why now? He knows about Rajesh's injury.
How much is he increasing?
By $500. He said it's because of rising costs in the area.
Rising costs. What about us? We are struggling as it is.
Meera, getting angry won't help. We'll have to figure something out.
Maybe I can take up a part-time job after school?
Arav, your studies come first. We'll find another way.
Meera, let's talk to Mr. Sharma. Maybe we can explain our situation and request some time before the increase.
Yes, it's worth trying.
Papa, don't worry. We've faced worse. We'll manage this too.
You're right, Av. As long as we stick together, we'll find a way.
A tight budget.
Rajesh, how will we manage without your income?
I should have listened to you. I can't even hold my tools now.
Papa, you always say, find a way no matter what. Can't we do something different?
Like what, Arav? We don't have savings to start anything new.
Papa, you know so much about fixing things. Why don't you teach others? You can start a small workshop at home.
Teach? I've never thought about that. But it might work.
I have an idea. Dad, you're an expert in electrical work. What if we start an online channel or blog where you teach people basic fixes?
An online channel? Me? I don't even know how to use a computer properly.
I'll handle the tech part, Dad. You just share your knowledge.
That's an interesting idea.
But who would watch?
Everyone. People love learning things online. We can start with simple videos.
Let's give a try.
Milestone Moments.
Mom, look at this.
I never thought this would work so well.
People are actually thanking me in the comments. Meera, I even got a request for a video on fixing a ceiling fan.
See? I told you, Dad. Your knowledge is valuable.
And Arjun, your filming skills aren't bad either.
I thought the accident ended everything. But this feels like a new beginning.
It is, Dad. And who knows? Maybe someday this will grow into something even bigger.
Who would have thought you'd become an internet celebrity?
Not me. But it's all thanks to Arjun's idea.
And teamwork, Dad.
It shows that even in hard times, a little creativity can make a big difference.
Absolutely, Meera.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.